Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and this Laura Mercier translucent powder has definitely solved several makeup issues for me. It is extremely fine and light, and I find it to be virtually imperceptible on my skin. I almost never ever go without concealer as a part of my makeup routine, but an issue that I always had was that it would wear off or crease. Now, because I set my concealer with this Laura Mercier powder, I do not have such a big issue anymore with it creasing. It will last pretty much the whole day now. I also get some shine in some areas of my face, like many of us. I get it on my T-zone area. This powder helps so much to minimize that shine and really give my skin a blurred look. When I use liquid skin tints or foundations, I can also experience some creasing around the mouth area and the forehead, and this Laura Mercier powder also helps to stop that from happening. This Laura Mercier powder has helped to reduce shine and creasing with my makeup looks. And that's my point of view.